Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to change Canon G2010 printer waste ink pad. Okay, let's start the video. Now you check this ink pad is almost full. Press this ink pad by using screwdriver. You see, ink is almost full. Okay, first open back cover screw. Remove this cover. Then remove side cover. Okay, remove strips from logic board. Open this side cover also. Okay, now remove this. Now open scanner. Slide this lock. Now open this covers. After this, open ink refilling cap. Then open 4 screw for open this section. This is lock. Another lock this side. Okay. Open this. Now open this sensor screw. I am fast forward this video for save time. Okay. Open screw carefully. Printer body is sensitive. Open this screw. Carriage unit platform. Now okay. After this, open paper pickup tray and purge unit. Okay. After open all screw, remove carefully paper pickup tray. Now you see ink pad is almost full. Okay. Now remove this pad from printer. After this step, clean ink pad base by using tissue paper. Okay. After this, is this new pad in printer. Okay. Now cassette tray fit in printer. After this, fit carriage unit set. Okay. Fix all carriage unit screws. Carefully connect wasting pipe here. Connect all sensor cables and shift to logic board. Okay. Now fix all covers. Connect all refilling tank. Now connect the scanner to printer. After fix this screw. Okay. This is our ink refilling door and front doors. Then connect scanner. Okay. This is our scanner strip, panel and scanner strip. This is our scanner strip. Other is panel strip. Now close both side cover and back cover. Okay. Fix both screw. And then connect power cord and power on printer. Check nozzle, check print for test print. Now you see test print is coming. Now your check print is come. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.